Hi, my name is Mohammed. I'm a civil engineer and I'm being glad to attend today's sessions or the workshop to learn about the opportunities in Amazon and how to start your business and grow your business in Amazon. It was really great information to how to start up and was quite important. Amazon businesses is not about just buying products and sell it online. It's about buying a product, a quality product, and there is options as well, opportunities to have an Australian brand products that can be sold online to any other countries worldwide. My action plan will be from today will be starting my business in Amazon as soon as possible in the next 2 to 3 months. Looking to start my first product. Yep. So first thing is you have your clear goals and action. Once you have your goals, why you want to do this business, and just create an action plan and just follow the steps on the system. I think it's worthwhile. The opportunities is there. It's great to see the successful in this type of business in, for example, in the States. And online or the e-commerce business is growing and it's coming to Australia, and it's better to start as early as possible so you can pick up and play with the game.